Today I'm going to show you how to manage subscriptions and unsubscribe in Gmail the easy way. If your inbox is full of newsletters, promotions, and emails you no longer want, this simple method will help you clean things up fast and take back control of your inbox. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one Gmail address. Now that you're inside Gmail, look at the search bar at the top of the page. This is where we're going to find subscription emails quickly. Click inside the search bar and type unsubscribe. Then press enter on your keyboard. Email will now show you emails that are likely related to subscriptions, newsletters, and promotional messages. This is a really helpful trick because instead of scrolling through your entire inbox, Gmail pulls up messages that include unsubscribe options or are from mailing lists. It makes it much easier to find the emails you no longer want. Now, to unsubscribe directly from an email, open any promotional or newsletter message from the results. Once the email is open, look near the top of the message or close to the sender's name. You should see an unsubscribe button or link. Gmail often highlights this clearly so you can remove yourself from the mailing list without having to search around. Click unsubscribe. In some cases, Gmail may ask you to confirm your choice. If that happens, simply confirm unsubscribe and follow the prompts on the screen. After that, you should no longer receive emails from that sender, although it can sometimes take a little time for all messages to stop completely. If you want to speed up the cleanup process, repeat the same steps for other newsletter or promotional emails you don't want anymore. Open the email, click unsubscribe, and confirm if needed. Doing this a few times can dramatically reduce inbox clutter. One extra tip is to use this method regularly. If you check your subscriptions every once in a while, your inbox stays a lot more manageable and you won't waste time sorting through unwanted messages later on. So to recap, go to Gmail, sign in, search for unsubscribe, open the subscription emails you want to remove, and use the unsubscribe button at the top of the message or near the sender name. It's quick, simple, and very effective. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.